know exactly where you need to be on Sunday. The Del Mar racetrack. Come hungry. I promise you'll be happy. Here we go again. It is the Turf and Surf BBQ Championship. Two of my favorite guys are back with me this morning. We have Derek, Marso, and of course Shawn over here from Cali Comfort. Guys, thanks so much for coming in.
Thanks for having us.
I'm glad you're back because I'm hungry.
We're glad to be back. Absolutely.
Do you want to do the big reveal?
Sure.
Let's see what's on the big green egg. Ta-da! Hello, ribs. Oh my goodness, and Shawn, that's just one of the things going to be on the barbecue this weekend at the Turf and Surf BBQ Championship.
Yeah, it's incredible. This Sunday at Del Mar Racing, it's going to be our Bet on Barbecue Championship, and this is the 4th year that we've done it, and we've just want to celebrate all the best barbecue on the West Coast. And we have barbecue restaurants, we have 45 professional Kansas City Barbecue Society teams that are competing for $15,000 in prizes. It's an all-you-can-eat event, so it's all-you-can-eat barbecue, all-you-can-eat dessert, all-you-can-eat seafood. You get 5 craft beer samples. It's also family-friendly. It's just an incredible day to come out and really taste what all the great food that's being cooked on the West Coast.
You mentioned $15,000 in prize money,
Yeah.
but perhaps the most coveted prize here is the trophy right behind you. Who was the grand champion from last year?
Last year was 789.
789.
789. So it's an incredible trophy for Derek and I. Frickin' Laser Beams, they make these trophies, and we always want to do something that's unique.
That's the name of the company?
Freaking Laser Beams, yeah.
Yeah.
What just happened on live television? No, that is the name of the company.
No, that's the name of the company, yeah. But they do an incredible job, and you know, it's about doing something unique and special. San Diego's special. Del Mar's an incredible place, and no better place on Sunday than to be at Del Mar with all of us and all these great chefs.
All these great chefs, and let's just sort of turn it over. Derek, right behind us here.
Yeah.
And Chef Dan sort of with the knives and the tong in hand. What is your secret to baby back ribs? Because this is something that it takes some time and some perfection here.
You know, it is a low and slow process, and what you always want to remember is that a baby back rib has felt on the back. It's a membrane that you want to make sure you take off. What we do is that we smoke ours for about 2 hours, wrap it in foil, we put some butter, some honey, some brown sugar in it, and then we finish them off. We expose them and then baste them a little bit, so that caramelizes the outside and gives it that little tight crunch that you're going to get when you're eating them.
Oh my
so you can see they're just a beautiful, nice, tight, for the judges to have that one bite that they love. And speaking of judges, I think someone's going to be out there again this year judging.
Should I practice?
I think you should practice.
Oh my goodness,
and
this
see
looks
how
really,
this is
really
going to
good.
go.
Okay, I'll take the baby of the baby back over here. As I eat this, and this isn't going to look good, and I think I wore the perfectly wrong color for this as well. No, don't wear white on Sunday, okay?
No, do not.
Shawn, I just want to ask you, though, because this is super serious judging.
Super serious. So Kansas City Barbecue Society is the NFL of competition barbecue.
Oh, yeah.
So we have professional judges, certified judges that'll be coming out. It's a sanctioned contest, and as you know, being one of our celebrity VIP judges,
I didn't realize the pressure I was going to be under.
Yeah, they take this very seriously, and it's something it's very exciting. It's something that, you know, Chef Dan, Encinitas BBQ, they competed. They were a People's Choice winner. So there's the Kansas City portion, which you're going to be participating in judging, but the people get to come out and really judge People's Choice, which is something that we all love.
This
You
is
get to go out
delicious.
and try all the great desserts, all the great seafood, and all the great barbecue.
That's why I love you, Shawn, because you kept talking so I could finish my bite. This is really good. Chef Dan, we're going to check in with you in the next hour, find out a little bit about kind of a special component to this event. There's a great fundraising aspect, too. And if you want to come out, I want to make sure that you get tickets to this, and we'll put the information on our website, thecwsandiego.com. Who's responsible for this? You?
Yes.
You're a winner in my book. This is really good. All right, we'll send it back to you in the studio.
Barbecue, even at 7 o'clock in the morning, looks amazing, right? Probably tastes even better.
Am I clean still?
Yeah, you're fine.
Can we do the check? Okay,
You're all good.
Thank you.
If you get dirty, you've got an excuse.
This is true.